In today's video, we are going to unbox the Levi's jacket. This particular jacket is very light in weight and almost looks like a wind cheater. This particular model is manufactured in China, and for those that don't know, Levi's is a United States company. This is a medium sized jacket. It does feel like it is waterproof and also has a look of a raincoat. The outer and the inner material is made up of 101% polyester. So let's do a quick tour of this, and at the end of the video I will wear it to see how it looks like.